In 1978, 11 Scientologists were found guilty in U.S. federal court of conspiring to steal government documents, theft of government documents, and conspiring to obstruct justice. Government prosecutors, in a statement to the judge urging maximum sentences, had this to say about the Scientologists and their criminal acts. Quote, that these defendants were willing to frame their critics to the point of giving false testimony under oath against them and having them arrested and indicted speaks legion for their disdain for the rule of law. Indeed, they arrogantly place themselves above the law, meting out their personal brand of punishment to those guilty of opposing their selfish aims. The crime committed by these defendants is of a breadth and scope previously unheard of. No building, office, desk, or file was safe from their snooping and prying. No individual or organization was free from their despicable conspiratorial minds. The tools of their trade were miniature transmitters, lockpicks, secret codes, forged credentials, and any other device they found necessary to carry out their conspiratorial schemes. It is interesting to note that the founder of their organization, unindicted co-conspirator L. Ron Hubbard, wrote in his dictionary entitled Modern Management Technology Defined that truth is what is true for you. Thus, with the founder's blessings, they could wantonly commit perjury as long as it was in the interest of Scientology. The defendants rewarded criminal activities that ended in success and sternly rebuked those that failed. The standards of human conduct embodied in such practices represent no less than the absolute perversion of any known ethical value system. In view of this, it defies the imagination that these defendants have the unmitigated audacity to seek to defend their actions in the name of religion. That these defendants now attempt to hide behind the sacred principles of freedom of religion, freedom of speech, and the right to privacy, which principles they repeatedly demonstrated a willingness to violate with impunity, adds insult to the injuries which they have inflicted on every element of society. All the Scientologists went to jail.